Hello folks, today we're doing a building inspection, and actually I'm not, really is not so much the building inspection, but I'm also looking at this specific video, my water drainage issues. But you see we're coming down here, you can see where my water's coming down from up here. And actually I got all these yards dumping into here. I got this neighbor over here dumping, I got that neighbor over there dumping, I got this, and which is common, which is absolutely common for subdivisions. You know, water runs downhill. But if you could see here, what's happening is I don't have a swell. Now, if you look at this property over here, you see that swell on the adjoining property. See how that ground goes, you know, let's see if we could show you that, how it goes up and down like that. So that water drains and draining into here, but now it comes into here, and it's literally, I'll back off here, and you can see where it's literally coming into here and making a big old pond right in here. But now look here, come over here, and you can see now it's built up over in this corner, and it's also built up against this fence line, so it's literally stopping the water from going on the other side. Now I can't really show a picture of the other property because I don't have permission, but what I wanted to share with you is on the other side, that water is swelling down this way on this side, and this water is being stopped. This lady was being kind and thinking that don't let the water go into the neighbor's property, but water is supposed to be drained between the properties on the property lines when all possible. This is actually a code compliant issue, and it's a common sense courtesy issue, but this is what you're looking for. And now look here, this is some more of my problems. My gutter is falling off my gutter here, or my shed. It's dumping right here on the ground, and you can see where the water's running. It's just a mess. But anyway, this is what you're looking for, folks. Anytime, and one of the biggest things we do is when we're doing expert witnessing, construction expert witnessing, is in drainage issues. And that seems to be one of the biggest problems that we have, water getting into the house. Another one here I want to share with you real quick before we walk away here is that 6 to 8 inches below grade is very important. I want you to come and look at this. Look how we got this dirt all up on top of this. So, I mean, any snow or ice builds up in here, it's going right into the house. It's right over here too. It's the same thing happening right in here. Now I understand they're trying to make it look pretty, but you know, any kind of snow or water gets up high, it's going in the house. Well folks, thank you for watching our video. I know it's a little long-winded, but hey, hit like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. It would really help, and it would help other people get to see these videos too, and you can share it with your friends and neighbors. Thanks folks, have a great day. Galloway Building Services.